How to clean a bike, knowing the basics. Subscribe for more videos. Learning how to clean a bike on your own is crucial, especially when it comes to keeping your hobby for a lifetime. If you cannot find time for it, there are stores which offer reasonable cleaning and repair packages. A frequently used bicycle acquires dirt, sand and mud easily. Leaving these grimes untouched causes its parts and accessories to deteriorate sooner than expected. The bottom bracket tube, spindle, rear freewheel, brakes, calipers and pads get dirty quickly in comparison to other parts. Brake pads are one of the elements which must be replaced on a regular basis. This is because they function by rubbing against the wheels to bring a stop. New brake pads must be a part of the typical bike cleaning you conduct. Failing to do so will cause them and the rims to wear out ahead of time. Brake function will also suffer. Short distance cycling does not require prompt washing, but long distance cycling does. Get ready with a pail of warm water. Add some detergent. Mix well until you get a pail of soapy water. With the use of rags, apply some soapy water on the front and back derailleurs, cables, wheel rims and brakes, chain and sprockets. Along with the rags, use brushes to scrub the attached dirt, specifically those on the chains. Knowing the perfect cleansing materials is also part and parcel of learning how to clean a bike properly. There are scrubbing tools which are sold for special purposes like brushing the dirt off the chain. Moreover, there are green soaps which are also available for cyclists who enjoy giving their simple machines a rinse outdoors. This is something to watch out for by the environmentalists too. There is a rule of thumb here about washing: gear shift levers, wheel bearings and crank bearings must not be reached by water so that their quality will be protected. Moving forward, scrub the tires carefully. Check whether they need to be inflated. Tires need to be re-inflated every now and then for them to achieve the proper volume it needs. If you have soft tires, you will have a hard time pedaling. What's worse is it can pop anytime while you are on the road. Thus, you will be prone to danger. Before hitting the road, infuse air into the tires using a pump with gauge. Take a look at the recommended air pressure imprinted on the sides of the tires. As you pump air, inspect each of the tires for cuts. Lastly, your lessons on learning how to clean a bike would be incomplete if you do not know how to lube your bicycle chains. This does not only keep your chains clean, it also makes your chains glide smoothly as you push the pedals with your feet and shift gears. Apply some lube onto the chain directly. Turn the pedals using your hands while applying the lube. Use a clean rag when removing the excess lube. Dirt will stick easily to lube-stained chains and other parts. Do not forget to subscribe for future videos.